Sir, what I want to explain today, let me tell you, data type describe what type of value we want to store inside a variable. You know very well, inside a variable. Who will decide? Data type will decide. And even we know that one data type also tells how much memory has to be created for a variable. So data type only will tell what type of value we can store inside the variable. Data type only will tell how much memory has to be created for that variable. But you know very well, JavaScript is a dynamically typed language like Python. So Python and JavaScript both are what here? Dynamically typed language. So it means we should not declare any data type during the variable declaration. During the what? Variable declaration, we should not declare any data type. So to declare any variable, we need to use var keyword. What keyword we should use? Yes. To declare any variable, we need to use var keyword. So did you remember yesterday? Yesterday what I told, if you want to declare any variable, what we should use? Var a is equal to 10, like this. Understood my point? You know? So here in JavaScript, we never use data type. Instead of data type, what we will use? Var keyword. And JavaScript engine uses JavaScript engine to determine particular data type based on the value. So let me say internally JavaScript uses what uses? JavaScript engine to determine particular data type based on the what? Value. Sir, I didn't understand anything. Can you please explain to me from the beginning? Okay, I will explain in the beginning, guys. Assume that if you want to declare any variable in JavaScript, we should use var keyword. So we are not using integer, boolean, string, like this data type we are not using. Instead of the data type, what keyword we should use? Var keyword we should use. It's a keyword. And after that variable name, and you can store which value you want. Tell me which value I gave? 10. 10 is a number. Na? So what data type? Number data type. Here we don't have integer. Java is having integer. But JavaScript having which data type? Number data type. So tell me 10 is a number, na? Yes. Now tell me if I am writing variable j is equal to double quotation high. High is a number data type. Huh? Which data type? String data type. So yet string value, high is a string. Huh? So j is a, here is nothing but what here? String data type should come. But for everyone, what we are using? Var. For number also we are using var. For string also we are using var. Because it's a rule of JavaScript. It's a dynamically typed language. Dynamically typed language means now JavaScript engine will come. So what JavaScript engine will do? It will read this 10. And immediately JavaScript engine will understand array 10 means it's a number data type. So tell me, I will consider as a which data type? Number data type variable. It's a number data type variable it is. So here number data type will be added. Now tell me JavaScript engine will read what? String. So what it will understand? Array. This is a what? String value. So what it will add internally? String data type will add. String data type will add. So that only I'm telling. So internally it will be done. Internally, JavaScript uses JavaScript engine to determine particular data type based on the what? Value. But remember, in JavaScript, we have two types of data types. We have two types of data types. First one I can say primitive data types. Primitive data types. Second one we have non-primitive data types. So now we need to see what are the primitive data types are available. We have following list of primitive data types. So what are the primitive data types we have? First one, let me say data type here. This is, I will give description. Here we have number data type. It is used to represent what? Numbers. Next, it is having what here? Here we have what here? Boolean data type. It is used to represent Boolean values. Next is what? It is used to represent strings. Used to represent string. Next is what we have. Even it is having what? Null. It is used to represent null. Next is what here? Undefined. It is used to represent undefined. Understood my point here now? So total how many primitive data types? 5. Here we don't have float, integer, don't consider character like that. JavaScript is having only 5. Number, Boolean, string, null, undefined. Very good, nice. So let me explain about number first. I want to give you number. Number means we are opening Sublime. In Sublime, we are writing the code. You know very well. I don't want to download enough. Let me remove the script. This is the script is available. Now what I will do, I will take variable a is equal to 10, document.write ln a, and I will give what? br, break line. And I will say variable b is equal to 10.56, document.write ln. Here I'm giving what? b, br. So number means we can take any number, sir. Decimal number also we can take. Non-decimal number also we can take. Your wish. So that's the reason we don't have any integer, float, long, double we don't have. Number means every number it will take. Decimal as well as non-decimal. Right click, open in a browser. Now you can see this. 10, 10.56. Okay, sir, you understood about number data type. Next to who is there? Boolean. Yep. So Boolean means first I am writing true. Second I am writing what? False. And say the magic. Refresh. True and false. And you know Boolean will support only 2. Next we have what? String, na? Yes. We have a string data type. So let me give you, here I am writing in double quotation. What I will give? I have. Here I am giving single quotation. What? Talent. I told you now, string we can write in double quotation also and single quotation also. Refresh. String also we can do it. Next we have what here? Null. We have a null. Null. This is to represent null. Assume that you don't have any value, sir. You don't have any value. So what we can declare here? Null. So definitely if you don't have any value, declare null, null will come. Understood my point here now? Next, what is available? Undefined. Undefined is somewhat unique, sir. Unique. Tell me, null is also some value only, na? Null is also some value. Assume that I declared the variable, but I did not store any value. I did not initialize any value. So tell me, what is the default value is there? Undefined. Understood my point here? No? So undefined will get whenever we are not storing the value in the variable. Understood my point here? No? Undefined will come. Okay, sir, we got an idea. So we are working, sir. I hope you people understood about what here? Primitive data types. What is the next one? Yes, non-primitive data types. Any of non-primitive data types we will not cover today. Non-primitive data type means we have following list of non-primitive data types. First one, sorry, let me say here data type. Here I will give what? Description. First one we have object. It is used to represent an instance through which we can access members. Next is what we have, arrays. It is used to represent which elements? Similar elements. Even we have what here? Regex. It is used to represent a regular expression. So these are the what here? Non-primitive data types. But don't ask me to today, sir, how to work with the non-primitive data types. These are the separate topic of JavaScript. So anyhow, this I will explain later to you people. Understood my point here now? So as I told you, we have two types of data type, primitive and non-primitive. So we covered only primitive data type. Primitive data types are 5: number, boolean, string, null, undefined. Undefined. And next is non-primitive data types are 3: object, arrays, and regex. Regex means regular expression. So these 3 things we will see later.